Welcome back. SoulCycle's slogan is "We aspire to inspire." Now, the cycling fitness gym is aspiring to raise a huge amount of money, filing for an initial public offering. I spoke with the company founders, Elizabeth Cutler and Julie Rice, last year. Listen to this.
There was no boutique fitness in the marketplace back when we started 8 years ago, so we decided we needed to invent it. We were introduced, we went on a sort of a blind date. We met at a lunch. We started talking. We always say it was the best blind date we'd ever been on, and it was a conversation that just never ended. 4 months later, we were open.
What a success it's been. SoulCycle has raked in $112 million in revenue last year. That's up 50% from a year earlier. And according to the filing, the company posted a profit of $25 million last year. That's about $4 million per studio. I want to bring in Kathleen Smith. She is chairman of IPO ETF manager at Renaissance Capital. She joins us now on the telephone and really is very familiar and has been a student of IPOs for a long time. Kathleen, good to see you. Thanks so much for calling in.
Good morning. Thank you.
Will this be a big deal, Kathy? What do you think about the SoulCycle deal?
We think that IPO investors and investors in general are very interested in this healthy trend. And SoulCycle and also another fitness center, Planet Fitness, are on the calendar to go public. And even though these fitness chains may not have the greatest track record, I think that there's a view that the millennials and society in general is more interested in healthy products growing faster than others. So I think that there's a renewed interest in these unique fitness centers like SoulCycle.
Yeah, I think you make a really good point because you've seen a lot of sort of wellness type deals come to the market, but they haven't been great performers. And I guess we had a debate on the set earlier on whether or not this is a fad. I mean, does SoulCycle... will it be able to have sustained long-term growth? And that's really why you want to invest in any public company.
Yes, and on that point, there are a number of other healthy IPOs that come out in 2015, notably Fitbit. And we all talked about what kind of a fad Fitbit might be. And then we recently saw the healthy dog food company Blue Buffalo come public. And these companies are up against a lot of competition, but I think one of the interesting things about these healthy businesses is they tend to have, particularly Fitbit and SoulCycle, a community attribute to them.
Right.
So it's not just a product, but it's been done before. I mean, Weight Watchers have the same thing. How do you get a group of people to encourage you to do something you might not do on your own?
You don't want to do, right? Kathleen, good to have you on the show. Thanks so much for calling in. We appreciate it. We will be watching Fitbit as well as SoulCycle when it comes to market. Kathleen Smith from Renaissance. Coming up.